said, the way you view yourself is so key. If you view yourself as somebody who's going to conquer the world, who can have an effect, an impact, right? And you put the power and the control after Allah back in your hands, then trust me, you can do something great. Every time you're trying to go to the next level, there needs to be a different version of you. You need a system upgrade. Just like we do for our clients who generate over $120 million collectively annually, we will do the exact same for you and help you get your time back, make a hell of a lot more money, and scale your company, inshallah. I don't even know if I just want to work with an entrepreneur anymore. Like, okay, so what? I help you live by design, I help you for what? For what greater purpose? It's like, Sheikh, I struggle to sit down with someone who doesn't have some level of, I want to take over the world, or I want to create some sort of change in the world. Like, if your fundamental goal is, I want to make money, make hijrah, but is that all we should strive for as men? And this is where you need to tie your business to something greater. But why can't we do this? Why don't we understand what we need to change and what impact we're going to have? Because we don't even know what we stand for. Why? Because other than stimulation and many things, we've never asked ourselves the right questions and we've never reflected. So right now, I want you to write down, pull out your phones, please, bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, or your notepads, better yet. And I want you to list down all of the values that you believe are important to you. So for example, integrity, discipline, right? Family, whatever value that you believe is a value that is important to you, I want you to write it down, inshallah. Look at the people you love and you respect the most, that in a healthy way you envy this person. What trait is it? What value does he have that you envy within him? Okay, so now we're going to do something. From all of the values you have, I want you to think of what are the most important 5 to you. Of everything you wrote down, the 5 that, wallahi, I'm telling you guys, these are principles you go to war for. That this is the deciding factor between the people you love and you hate. Like, these are things that you stand for the rest of your life. And when someone comes with them, you love him more than you love anyone. And someone leaves, doesn't have them, you hate him more than anything. Think of what drives you. Like, even talking about the value should bring you what? Extreme emotion. What values are they? Top 5. Now, I want you guys to ask questions based off of your core values right now and your operating principles. Be honest. How in alignment are you with it? You've lived 20x years, maybe 30x years, 40x years, maybe 50 years, some of us, right? Without ever thinking, subhanAllah, what are the principles I stand for, that I'm going to pass into my kids, that I'm going to live my life by, that I decide and make decisions based off of? That's a problem. And I'm not saying we haven't thought of some of these things, but the fact that we haven't documented them nice and clear is a problem. And that's what leads to confusion and misalignment in our lives. That's what leads to the weakness. Because a man who doesn't even know what he stands upon, he doesn't even know his pillar, Allah, he's lost. So this is where we need to really align ourselves. And the first thing you need to do, brothers, if you want to take over the world, you need to understand who you are. You need to understand who you are. And I'm going to be sending you guys, we're going to be engaging in exercises so you better understand your what? Yourself. Who am I? You need to start to ask this question more. Who am I? Right? So now I want you guys to write down and note down something very, very key. Everyone's going to do it, inshallah, and we're going to ask people, things, right? What they've noted down. I want you to think, okay, what roles you play in this ummah. Matalan, Sheikh, if you want to give us some of yours.
As I shared with you guys in the morning, in the evening. So number 1, I build leaders. Number 2, I'm a mujahid. Number 3, I'm a student. And some others as well. So this is who I am. This is my identity. These are the descriptions that I see myself by, and I live according to this.
Does that make sense to everyone? So it's your life roles: husband, father, CEO, leader. What is your fundamental role, the role you see yourself as? Name me the 5 key roles in your life that you play. Okay, Fantastic. Now I want you to ask yourself, what does excellence look like in this role? Like if you were to play and lead this role successfully, if success in this role was to be characterized in a statement, what would it be? Brothers, have we come to some deep realizations? This is like 1%, if even 1%, of the stage, inshallah, we're going to take you through on this retreat, bi'idhnillahi ta'ala. The point of these retreats is that we take the benefit from them and we turn it into a lifestyle. We are aiming to live by design during this retreat and follow that design afterwards. Tamam? Look, I know there's a lot of confusion about what we do, but it's quite simple. We upgrade founders. Every time you're trying to go to the next level, be it from 100K a month to 200K a month or 200K a month to 1 million a month, we're the guys that our clients visit whenever they feel like they need a new version of themselves. We will do the exact same for you. Book a link in the description, inshallah, and we'll see you on the call.